Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Lowe's, back here in the garden center. And while I was on my way back here, I seen the manager and she told me that everything back here on the clearance section, is 50% off. And guess what else she said? When you get to the register, it's 25% more off. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at all of this clearance, guys. Oh my goodness. Man, I'm telling you, if you live near a Lowe's, this is the time to go and stock up. Let me just try to get through this haul, this tour right quick. Okay, this is a Bloodgood Japanese maple tree. Regular price is 109 bucks. So beautiful. This is a pear tree, regular 58 bucks. Yes. Let's see what this is right here. Okay, another dogwood. Okay, this is a crab apple tree, regular $32.98. And look, they're perfectly fine, guys. 75% off. I'm just so excited. Okay, right here is the giant iris, regular $19.98. All the fruit trees, guys, 75% off. Oh my goodness. What is this? Is this another maple? Yes, that's another maple. This is a Crimson Queen Japanese maple, regular $109. Ooh, plum tree, plum. Yes. So right here, they have the blueberries. The regular price on the blueberries are, let's see. Well, it should be on the container. The regular price for the blueberries, it is a 1 gallon for $13.98. You see how fresh and how great they look? There's nothing wrong with these plants, guys. Okay. What is this? This is a crepe myrtle. Ruffle Red Magic Crepe Myrtle. And the price is, it's a 2 gallon for $26.98. Yes. Okay, all the moms. Ooh. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Now these right here, the large ones, they're regular $16.98. And this big one here, let's see, it's a regular $24.98. And then they have the smaller ones for $7.98. This is so amazing. Now this is a clearance. These peppers here, regular $16.98. They are ornamental peppers. Yes, they have them in the red and the yellow. These are the blue asters for $98. All the prices I'm giving you guys are the original price, and you take 75% off of that price. Here's a spirea right here, $39.98. Oh, girl. Let's see, another aster here, Pink Henry, the third aster, $15.98. All these pansies, man. This is a pansy in like a box window container for $14.98. Oh man, Speedwell, $7.48 regular price. These are really pretty. Okay, let's go on around. Ooh, I'm trying to contain myself. Elderberries, regular $29.98 right here. Yes, thank you. Summer wine, 9 bark, regular $29.98. Oh my goodness. This is just unbelievable. This is a Euronymous, yes, $26.98. Barberry here. Let's see. This is a sticky plant. Oh, okay. It's regular $29.98. It's a Concord Barberry. Oh my goodness. Right here is a Blue Star Junipero for $22.98. I am so glad I found these. Oh, this is a viburnum here for $24.98. Oh, yes. So let me stand back so you all can get a better view, because I was really close up on these plants. See, they're perfectly fine. They're healthy. Nothing is wrong with these plants. More plum trees over here. Regular $30.98. Oh, golden privet here for $26.98. Those are beautiful. That yellow is stunning. Let's see, more fruit trees. These are fruit bushes here. The blueberries. Yes, these are all blueberries over here. I see grapes. Yeah. And yes, more plum trees. Look, guys. Is this not a view? This is my morning coffee. Oh, I can't take it. More asters over here. Let's see what this is. This is a lilac. Miss Kim lilac here for $26.98. Here on this end. Yes. Clearance sign right there. All those roses up there. They're the knockout roses for, let's see. Right here, they're $25.98 unless you're buying like in a bulk. It would be $20.78 for the knockout roses. Right there. Okay. The succulent hanging basket, regular $29.98 right here. These 4. Oh, just beautiful. And this one is $22.98 right here. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, please like the video, comment on it, share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. If you like deals like this, you want to subscribe, because this is what I look for. Oh gosh, I can't get up in there, but let me see if I can give you guys a view of what's back here. This succulent is beautiful. They even have the little small ones out. And these are usually on the inside here, these succulents. Okay. More knockout roses right here. What is another viburnum here? Yes, this is the Eastern Snowball Viburnum for $26.98. Oh yes. More bunny plants, succulents right here. Just a whole little crate of them. So here is another view of the clearance plants, guys. Look. This is crazy. 75% off, guys. Now, once you get to the register, tell them that it is a distress plant because they don't look distressed. So to get that extra 25% off, tell them at the register this is a distress plant, and that's when they'll give you the extra 25% off on top of the original 50% off. Yes. Okay. So all the way up there. Let's see what this one is here. Oh. Can you all see what that is? I can't see, but it has these orange berries on it. I'm not sure what that is. Let's see. There's another one. It's some kind of flowering tree. Okay. But yes, guys, this is what we have here at our Lowe's, back here in the clearance section. Everything from annuals to perennials to foundation plants to the trees. Whatever your heart desire, it is here at Lowe's. Just beautiful. Okay, guys. Well, that's gonna be it for today here at Lowe's, back here in the garden center, checking out all their clearance plants plus another discount. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.